Is it wrong or is it a bad idea to bring your younger sister from the village into your matrimonial home? Because on this particular episode of Palava, it turned out ugly. A girl brought her younger sister to stay with her in a matrimonial home, and according to her, the younger sister started sleeping with her husband and they are fighting. This is Palava, a real Palava, real time, in real time. I don't need to say much about this video. Take a look at this video and see. The man, that man is beyond, you know what, is beyond cost. Because why you gonna lash your wife's sister? I don't understand. Why you gonna lash your wife's sister? This kind of person, if he dey lash the sister, if he lash him mama self, if he even lash housemaid in the name of ide, because most times men use it as an excuse that their wife is pregnant, and start lashing everybody and start doing this. As a man, hold your brocos, hold am blocos, I be brocos, hold am. You wey be person wey from village come or wey from anywhere come, you go dey lash your sister husband unto how? Because you see rice. Do you know in Nigeria people are loyal to bag of rice? Once they see that money is coming from that place, they start being loyal. How can you be loyal to people that you now forget that this person is your blood sister, whether your adopted sister, whether your step sister, whether your cousin sister, or waiting on how una dey related? It is no limits. You know, say there are boundaries to certain things people do. But in Nigeria, people are loyal to bag of rice and bag of one sachet of oil. You can imagine they trust. There is no trust in this family. Do you know that some people will just start a family without having a mutual agreement? Nothing like going to court wedding, nothing like traditional wedding, nothing. They could just pack themselves inside house. Family don't start now. This kind of thing, because if you have some sort of respect, some sense of dignity for your in-laws, for your family, you self, your own family, if there are some kind of things you not supposed to do as a man. This is very palava. Now the woman is now fighting everybody. You that is sleeping with somebody's husband, you that go the lash person husband, have you forgotten say if I lash this man finish, the same family you do, you go to lash your sister husband. You don't have your own man. You don't get respect for yourself. Because if you have respect for yourself, you get some kind of things where person go tell you go want the person, give the person the warning of their life. Which kind yeye husband be that one? Or further now, I know I want which kind yeye he goat be that one? You go they marry in the name of in-law. Which kind nonsense in-law be that one? People will come they hear news, say that woman, say that girl in husband, they come they fight for public. After this fight now, people go they ask what's waiting, who you self, where they digress the issue, we don't see their faces. So people for street self no say that man he dey lash him wife sister. Say if he dey lash even housemaid, even the girl mama self. Now so they do. Just because you 1 minute because you feel say you get something or you continue hold you go they just go they lash everybody for street. You don't get shame. You know say some men for this country they don't get shame again. Some men in Nigeria they don't get shame on how money enter their pocket. Shame no day again. They go just the waka they go. Because tell me, this man does he look like somebody that will get shame? They now say men is liable to have as many wives as you can. Yes, you can have as many wives as you can, but not in the same family now. You go the lash person, cuckoo man lash the whole village. Now this thing where you will see every day for palava every day. Now this kind of things. Women, please no go they marry he goat in the name of marriage, because it don't too much stories that touch the bomb. It don't take too much for us. Anyway, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. This kind of thing it invests me. Peace out.